Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at some best practice tips on how to install the 2-channel version of the Wiser 2nd generation HubR. In the box there is the 2-channel HubR along with its backplate and an installation guide. The relay contacts are designed to align with systems that have 1 channel of central heating and 1 channel of hot water, with terminal 3 being hot water on and terminal 4 being central heating on. For bi-flow or Y-plan systems, there is a hot water off terminal which needs to be connected to the grey wire of the mid-position valve and the cylinder thermostat satisfied terminal. Before commencing work, make sure the electricity supply to the heating system can be safely isolated. The backplate utilises cage clamp screw type terminals, ensuring secure connection of the conductors with a knockout at the bottom to provide access for surface mounted cables. The HubR should be positioned on a wall a minimum of 300mm away from the boiler, and the heating system be protected by a 3A fused spur. As the HubR manages connections to both Wi-Fi and the devices network, the more centrally located it can be within the property will reduce the need for signal boosting. Once the backplate is wired, the HubR can be fitted onto the backplate by hooking on at the top, pressing in at the bottom, and doing up the 2 screws. Power can now be reinstated and the Wiser 2nd generation HubR will go through its boot up sequence that will take up to 2 minutes, and it is important not to interact with the hub during this process. After 2 minutes, the HubR will show a solid green setup light. To test that the wiring is correct, the override buttons can be pressed and held for 3 seconds to manually fire the channels. A further press stops the call for heat. Now that the Wiser 2nd generation HubR has been installed, the system needs to have at least 1 Wiser temperature controlling device added to the system, and this is done using the Wiser Home app on an Apple or Android phone. The Wiser Home app features an installer mode that allows the system to be set up without the need to connect to the home Wi-Fi or register an account by scanning the QR code and connecting directly to the HubR. This means that the usual commissioning steps like adding devices, assigning to rooms, and setting up schedules can be done, and the system can be handed over to the customer to complete registration. The range of Wiser 2nd generation devices offers both smart heating and smart home capability, so the home can be made much more automated and efficient. So that's how to install the Wiser 2nd generation 2-channel HubR. For more information on this and to find out what other smart devices you can add to the system, head over to our website and don't forget to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel, Drayton Heating.